In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and manage add-ons in Google Sheets. Add-ons are a great way to enhance the functionality of your Google Sheets, providing you with additional tools that can streamline your workflow and increase productivity. First, let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. If you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it's a cloud-based spreadsheet application that allows you to create and edit spreadsheets online. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one from your Google Drive. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, we need to navigate to the top of the screen. Look for the menu bar and click on Extensions. This is your gateway to add-ons and additional features. After clicking Extensions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Add-ons. After you click on Add-ons, you'll see an option that says Get Add-ons. Click that, and you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is essentially an app store for Google Workspace tools where you can browse various add-ons that can help tailor your Google Sheets experience to better fit your specific needs. Once you're here, you'll see a search field. Type the name of the Google Sheets add-on you're interested in and hit Enter. As you do this, you'll see a list of options that match your search. Carefully read the descriptions for each add-on to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for. Some add-ons may offer free trials or require a purchase, so be sure to check the details. Upon finding the desired add-on, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Typically, this involves clicking the Install button and granting permissions for the add-on to access your Google account. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure that the add-on can fully integrate with your Google Sheets. After successfully installing the add-on, you can close the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now that you've got an add-on added to your Google Sheets, you might want to learn how to manage these to ensure they remain beneficial to you. For that, once again, click on Extensions at the top of your Google Sheet. Navigate to Add-ons in the drop-down menu, and this time select Manage Add-ons. Here, you'll find a list of all the add-ons you currently have installed. From this menu, you can update, disable, or remove any add-on that you feel no longer serves your needs or if you're experiencing any issues. It's always a good practice to keep your tools well organized and up to date, so make a habit of managing your extensions regularly. That's it. You've just learned how to get and manage add-ons in Google Sheets. This powerful feature will certainly help enhance the functionality of your spreadsheets and make your data management tasks a lot easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching.